How softly sweet scented your lips when I kiss you, yet just as sweet is to hear you speak the soothing sound of you. But when I enjoy one pleasure, I know that I'm missing the other. Oh, how my soul lives for both. If I could procure equally, together would be harmony. The sound of your lips, the kiss of your voice. Free, oh heart, from those warm hands that scheme with her deep eyes to hold you still, submit to her will, imprisoned by her embrace. Listen, my heart, what I'm saying. Are you leaving? Are you staying? Oh, how my soul lives for both. Forever to be in her rapture, or hide to be free from her capture. To be ceaselessly, or simply not be. How softly sweet scented your lips when I kiss you. I'm not free when I see those eyes or touch your warm hands. Heart, come away. No, I think I will stay in the soothing sound